choice but to discard my robotic vacuum cleaner due to its poor cleaning performance. It bumped around the room and failed to clean properly. I even lost faith in all robotic vacuums, but everything changed when I discovered the Laser R Evel 3 robotic vacuum cleaner. It truly changed the game. It supports both sweeping and mopping, comes with a remote control and app functionality, features built-in anti-drop sensors to prevent falling downstairs, and has a built-in dustbin that only requires emptying the collected debris. Most surprisingly, it automatically returns to its charging dock when low on battery, truly achieving hands-free convenience.